Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to mathematics class. This is your lesson number 1 for week 8. We have started unit number 3 decimals. In last lecture we have done question number 1 for exercise 3a. Our topic is approximation of decimals. Today we will continue from question number 2, rounding of the given numbers to the indicated decimal places. Question number 2 is to round off the given numbers as indicated beside each. We are given with each part that we have to round off till 2 decimal places, 1 decimal places, 3 decimal places, or whatever. First part is 3.27316 and we have to round it off to 2 decimal places. Now first we will mark 2 decimal places here, which will be 3.27. Now we will look at the next number to the right of it, which is 3. Now our rule is to compare this number with 5. If the number is less than 5, as 3 is less than 5, so we are not going to round off our given number. It will remain same till 2 decimal places, that is 3.27. Second part is 9.827, which we have to round off till 1 decimal place. Now first we will mark our place. Now 9.8, the number digit next to 8 is 2, which is again less than 5. So if our digit is less than 5, we do not round off our given number. 9.8 will remain as it is. But in G part we have 0.00849 and we have to round off to 2 decimal places, which will be till this point. Now we will look at the number which is at the right of 0, that is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. Now if our next digit is greater than 5, then we round off the previous digit to 1 next number, so it will be 0.01. Question number 3 is to simplify the following and give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. First part is given to you, in which there are 2 fractions which are to be added and whole square. Now as we have 2 in the denominator and both the denominators are same, so our LCM will be 2, and we will write numerators as it is 1.3 plus 7.4 whole square. Now in numerator we have addition. We will perform the addition. 1.3 plus 7.4, which will be 8.7 whole square. Now we will divide 8.7 by 2 and then we will take square. So first we will perform the division. 8.7, first digit is greater than 2, so 2 4s are 8. Point will move in the quotient, 7 is left. 2 3s are 6, 1 is left. Because of point we will add 0, and 2 5s are 10. So we got 4.35 as the answer of 8.7 divided by 2. Now we have 4.35 square, which means we will multiply 4.35 by 4.35 and you will write 4.35 multiplied by 4.35. Your answer will be 18.9225. You can do the multiplication on the rough. I hope you all can solve multiplication of decimals. So now this is our final answer, but question was to give you answer correct to 3 decimal places. So first mark the 3 decimal places and look at the next digit which is on the right, that is 5. And we know the rule for the rounding off, that if the digit on the right is equal or greater than 5, then we round off the previous digit. So the previous digit is 2, which will be increased by 1 number and it will be changed to 18.923, which is our required answer. Part B is 63 minus 9.6 divided by 0.02 plus 0.8. So first we will solve both the numerator and denominator. In the numerator we have 63 minus 9.6, so we will do the rough work and we will subtract 9.6 from 63 As 9.6 is decimal and 63 is whole number, we will add point in whole number, and we will say 10 minus 6 will be 4, and 62 minus 9 will be 53. So we have written the answer as 53.4 in the numerator. Now solving the denominator, 0.02 plus 0.8. Adding both the number, we will add 0 after 2. Okay, so 0.82 is answer. So we have written the answer 0.82 in the denominator, and now we have decimal in numerator and denominator. First we will remove the decimal. 53.4 after solving will be 53. Now it will be 53 divided by, after removing decimal we will get 10 here, and in the denominator we will get 100. Now as we have got subfraction, so we are going to solve this one, and we will write it as, so we have written first numerator as 534 divided by 10 multiplied by, we have inverted the second fraction by as 100 by 82. Now we can cancel 1 0 by 10, and we will be left with the final answer as, when we will multiply 534 by 10, it will be 5340 divided by 82. Now you will do this rough work of division, 5340 divided by 82. You will get the final answer as 65.1219. Now this is our final answer, but we have to correct it to 3 decimal places. So mark the 3 decimal places. Now look at the next digit after this partition, which is 9, and we have a rule that if this number on the right is greater than 5, then we will round off the previous digit, which was 1. So it will be 65.12, and this number will be increased to 2. So this is the final answer. I hope you have understood how to solve these questions, how to simplify and then correct the answer to 3 decimal places. Part C and Part D will be your homework.